Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got a pretty cool package in the mail today. Well, I guess it wasn't in the mail, but it was on my deck. It's not a car part, but it's gonna help us install some car parts, which is cool. No more jack stands, no more floor jacks, hopefully. So this should make things a lot easier when doing anything related to getting the car off the ground. It's by a company called Quick Jack. Got them from Costco. Kendrew and I split them. We both got speed, so it's only right. But yeah, we're gonna put these together, test them out, see what they're like. So what we got is the SLX 5000, which is rated up to 5,000 pounds. You can get 3,500, 7,000, and then some bigger ones even over top of that. But we got the 5,000 pound one because both our cars are nowhere close to that, really. Well, yeah, this is the book. Pretty well a small phone book of setup and operation. Glance through this and get her going. All right, so first step done. Got these elbow joints in. Those are the connections for these two short hydraulic hoses. And those will connect each of those, and then the long hydraulic hoses will come back here to where the main pump is and operating system. Alright, so we got the main leader lines, I guess you could call them leader lines, connected to the jacks themselves. Now these will come, these are pretty long, man. These will come to the operating system, I guess we'll call it. We overfilled it. Shit. How? They left a bunch in there? Are you f***ing kidding me? Alright, so what you saw there was me overfilling the reservoir. Calls for 2 liters of automatic transmission fluid, what I did. 2 of these jugs is about 1.85 liters, I think. I poured them both all in, and pretty well just at the end of this one it started overflowing. These machines are all tested and used before they send them out, and I'm guessing they left a decent amount of fluid in the bottom of this, so that's why it overflowed. But we drained some out so that it's not right to the top, and we cleaned it all up, so we're good to go. Alright, so filled these cylinders here with some air, approximately somewhere between 35 and 50 psi. It says don't exceed 50 psi, so don't think we did that, but I think they're all set. All the lines are good. Everything's Teflon taped together. The power source, I think, is ready. Just a matter of connecting these 2 guys here and here, and yeah, crack the bleeder screw, and then I think that's everything. So yeah, we're just about ready to get a car on here. Ooh, shit.
First test coming up right now.
Yeah, it was falling off the counter.
second lock there. Oh, there we go. Don't mind me, guys. Just going for a little rip on it.
So this is max height, we're thinking.
Holy crap, yeah, this is a little
Just a little bit of a test, Kendrew, on the creeper. Lots of room too, that's crazy, man. Front to back on a creeper. Test complete. That's how you know it's authentic. But yeah, this is...
Holy fuck, lots of room.
Fuck, that's crazy. That's so cool to see the car.
And that's not even the highest block. There's probably a couple.
Oh yeah, there's also the block. Here's the blocks here. My car is a bit too low, even aired up all the way to maximize these, but you can, actually no, you can't use 2 of these stacked, but you can use
one of these and the medium one.
Yeah, one of these and one medium one, which is what we're using now. So you can get it a couple inches higher at least. All right, so as you saw, car got off the ground. Pretty cool. All we're doing is disconnecting here at the quick disconnects, and then we're storing the jacks off to the side themselves, and then everything else is going under here. The controller, the power wire, the quick connect hoses, and that's pretty well it. That's all there is to the assembly, really. Whenever we want it again, just haul it out, plug everything back up, and slide them under the car with the appropriate blocks that you want to use. For our cars, we're pretty well only gonna get these ones under, maybe the large ones for Kendrew's speed, maybe, but I don't think we're gonna be able to double up. But yeah, anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is a dope ass product. I think we're really gonna put it to use and enjoy it, instead of using a floor jack and regular jack stands all the time, because those are a huge pain after a while. You'll see, if you follow my channel, you're gonna see this a lot, so hopefully it never kills us. Hopefully it never crushes us. Yeah, anyways guys, drop a like if you like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.